Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a different logo for your transparent header on WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so you can see here we have a logo, and right now we have a transparent header, and you can see we have the sample image here with the starter site. You can see his hair clipping through the header. And if we went to a 404 page, for instance, you can see that we have a solid background here and the same logo. So let's go ahead and change our logo for when it's in the transparent state. So let's click on Customize and bring ourselves to the customizer. Let's click on Home and click on Header. Now for this I want to add a search icon just so we can check it out on this customizer preview here, and I'll show you why I added this. You don't have to add this, but just for me to show you. And let's go ahead and click on logo. You see we have our logo, our transparent state logo, and we don't have any selected. We have a dark mode logo, we don't have any selected for that, and we have a sticky state. You can see when we scroll down it changes. Now we can remove this just to keep things simple, and for our transparent state logo we can change it to this one, which I prepared. You can also change it depending on whether or not it's mobile or desktop. Okay, so this is the transparent header one, right? And if I were to, how do I get to that? Let's put it over here. Let's click on the search bar here, and I can't get it to work. So let's just remove that and take a look at our header. So we have our header here, and we have headers, and we have our global header, which is what this is. If you clicked on this, well, we can configure it. If you scroll down, we have our transparent functionality. If I disable this, you can see we go back to our default logo or icon, and we can enable or disable transparent headers on whether it's going to be on mobile or on desktop only, or both of them. And we have conditions here, and the reason why I put the search icon there is that we have it on the whole website except for the 404 and the search bar and archives, and this isn't really a blog template here. So let's go ahead and just click on save, and let's go to a 404 page later and see our effects take place. So again, we've gone to our logo and selected a different icon for our transparent state logo. Let's hit refresh. We'll reload our page. You can see we have a different logo, and if we were to go to a 404 page, you can see that we have the transparent header disabled. We just have our normal header and our default logo there. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.